As of December 27, 2025, WULF is in a short term, intermediate, and medium term bearish trend within a longer term bullish trend. The bullish trend is underscored by its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. The short term is underscored by its 10-day moving average. The intermediate underscored by its 21-day moving average, and then the medium term underscored by its 40-day moving average. You can see the short, intermediate, and medium are all bearish as things stand right now. And all of this began, I would even say, all the way back from, well, let's just confirm it's for some time around the 12th of December. That's when the short, intermediate, I mean, the short term, short, medium term negativity began, and the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it's going into a distributive contraction at least up to early February, and the 40 period moving average is also expected to continue declining to prevent any bounce. Okay, there's amongst other things, they have the AI infrastructure stocks, they haven't really recovered that much, they haven't really rebounded as such, and for the TeraWulf, okay, the company, despite securing more than $17 billion in long-term HPC commitments and planning 250 to 500 megawatts of additional capacity. Much of that capacity will not be operational until next year. Okay, so all this the delay limits near-term revenue for the company. Okay, even as it's plows on with investments. So it generated around $7.2 million in HPC revenue or something like that of late. Yeah, so for now it's going to be based on its fundamentals. I can see why the algos are doing this, but it could all change. It could all change. There could be a positive wind blowing around the whole AI infrastructure sector, and it may do well. Some of its rivals or competitors, APLD especially, they are doing well. APLD is wasn't removed from the HPC computing, because APLD was hosting. Was I think they were doing cloud hosting and all that stuff. That is a lot more easily, I would say, a lot more related to AI HPC hosting as against digital asset mining is a lot more removed. So those are the rivals. If they begin to do well, if they begin to announce positive outcomes, the WLF may draw some sympathy from them. So as things stand right now, momentum is indicating that it might pick up from Monday the 29th and may hold it up till the 2nd of January. But it's from this algo here on its 10 period moving average is not expected to go beyond its 10-day moving average. That moving average dropping by 0.36 cents, roughly 37 cents every day. So we'll see, but it seems that a bounce is imminent, which is also what we have here to some extent, I think. Yeah. So in the midst of all of this downtrend, it will be, it may be, it's just going to be a distributive contraction. So at various times, it may bounce and get rejected and all that. So let's see now the 4-hour chart to see what is indicating there. On the 4-hour chart, we have, yes, lower prices are expected to keep printing at least up till the 30th. And then after that, a bounce is expected. Um, and it's expected to remain strong up till the 6th of January. Okay, we'll see how all of this will pan out. Here we have momentum is expected to begin to get strong from Monday the 29th and remain elevated up till yeah, 6th of January. That's this. Well, we have an alignment here. Let's see how all this will turn out. We don't exactly know what could possibly warrant this extrapolation and projections to happen like as such. Projections are saying 9.8, 9.26, 9.81, 10.69 as things stand right now. There's ample room to the upside. We have up to 17.15. There's, yeah, name it. Well, I wouldn't say name it. It has at least up to 50% to the upside. I mean, 50%, yeah, in terms of projections of what it has. Yeah, in terms of projections, yeah, based on Fibonacci projections. Yeah, not really what it has done before. I don't think of late it hasn't reached 11, $17. Yeah, okay. Well, it has reached around $16 of late, of not very long. That was 3rd of November. It was at 16.1. Okay, we could also have a look at its market grid. It gives us a range of prices. It has the potential of trading within. Let's have a look and see on the 4-hour chart. Let's get the range. The range is between 12.93 and 11.69. Okay, yeah, 12.93 and 11.69. The stock is it closed at 11.74. Yeah, so it is. Yeah, this is where it is. It's almost going to touch its the the threshold of its this market grid. So there's a good chance that lower prices may well, yeah, continue to print. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. So let's see now lower prices. Let's see the range is between 12.16 and 11.35. In this case, it is yeah, a lot more higher on the grid. So you missed, but with the trajectory to the downside. So yeah, the chance of testing 11.55 is also something that can happen, and the algo seems to be suggesting that that is what may happen. Yeah, so that's an update for WULF, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.